Welcome to Photoshop designing class. Today I want us to quickly look at three things. Now the first thing is we are looking at paper rotation, how to rotate your paper, and the next thing is shapes drawing of shapes. In fact, about 95% of Photoshop designing is shapes, drawing of shapes. And so we have to take this lesson very serious because it forms 95% of our designing practice or training. And then the last thing is we will look at how to give your shapes color. Now let's quickly move on. To rotate your paper, you go to the menu bar. You click on image, and then you select, you put your cursor or your mouse pointer on image rotation, then you select 90 degrees CW. You are done. Now the image or the paper is rotated and is now ready for the project. Let's quickly move on. The next thing is shapes drawing. Now shapes, the icon or the tool for shape is the last but two. That is this one. The last but two is the shape drawing tool. Now when you place your cursor or the mouse pointer on it, right click. When you right click, you get the shape tools. The first tool is rectangular tool, the second is rounded rectangular tool. We have ellipse is circles, then we have polygons, line tool, and then custom shape tool. The first tool that I want us to quickly look at is the rectangular or the rectangle tool. You click it, you come to your paper whilst holding on to the left mouse without releasing your hand. You drag. When you drag, it will give you a square like this. With the help of the move tool, you can position it nicely, and then you can drag the edges. You hold on to it, then you drag the edges to get your nice square. Good. Now with the same tool, that rectangular tool, you can use it to draw rectangle. Right click on it, you pick the tool, you draw your rectangle. Good, nice, good. Now when you are working on Photoshop, to get a better picture of what you are doing, you have to always make sure that you zoom your work. Now how do you zoom your work? It's Control plus plus to get a bigger picture of what you are doing. At least you can see it clear. Good. So with the help of this tool, good. Now the next shape that we are looking at, you right click on that to right click. Okay, good. You right click, then you pick the ellipse. I said earlier on that the ellipse are for circles. So you come to your paper, you left click whilst holding on to the left click without releasing your hand. You drag to get your nice circle. Now I'm through with it. The next thing is polygons. You right click, then you pick polygon tools. Now the polygons, it depends on the number of the number of size that you want. So let's say I want a 5-sided polygon. I'll click here. When you come to the option menu, you click and then you type or you key in your number of polygon size you want. So let's say I want 5-sided polygon. I'll input 5 there. Then I'll come to the paper as we did to the square and the rectangle and the circle. You left click, and whilst holding on to the left click tool, Without releasing your hand, you drag to get your polygon, and with the help of the move tool, that is the first tool on the tool panel, the move tool, you position it nicely, good. And then the next tool that we are looking at is the same polygon tool, but this time around we want to look at a three-sided polygon, that is triangle. So I'll click 3, and then I'll come to my paper, hold on without releasing my hand, and I'll drag down to get my 3-side polygon, good. And with the help of the move tool, I have to position it well, good. I'll have it, good. Now the last tool that we want to look at is the custom shape tool, good. You click on custom shape tool, then you come to the option bar, the drop down arrow, you click on it, then you come to another drop down arrow just on your extreme right. On that dialog box, you left click on it, then you select all to get access to all the custom shapes. Now let me pick one, that is okay, let me pick this leaf, good. Then click on that drop down arrow. I was holding on to the left click, I'll drag, good. Now I have my custom shapes, good. Okay, now let's see how you can give it color, good. I have my shapes, okay. Alright, good. Now I can go back to the normal the page that fits the screen. So control minus, control minus, now I have it. Now let's look at how we can give our shapes color. It's either you come to the layer side, you click on it. Before you can work on something or any shape, you have to select it. It's either you select it from the layer side or you select it on the screen, so any of them. So let me select my square. So I've selected the square. You come to the dock panel, you select FX, click on the FX color overlay, then it will give you the color that you want. So let me pick blue. Okay, it's blue, do right like this one, good. Click OK. Now the next thing is the rectangle. It's the same procedure that you follow. You select it, you come to the dock panel, click on the FX, select color overlay, then you pick your color. I like this red, good. Then the next one is I'll come pick the leaf. You come to the FS, you click on it, color overlay, and then this thing is covering my work, so I can push it somewhere. Yeah, good. Then I'll click on the color and I'll select green for this one. Then you click OK, good. OK, you are good to go. Then the next thing is the circle. We give it a color. You come to the, after selecting it, you come to the dock panel, you click on the FX color overlay, you pick any color of your choice. Okay, this yellow will do, good. And click OK. The same thing to the 5-sided polygon. You select it, either you select it from the screen or on the layer side, any of them will do. You come to the dock panel, you click on FX color overlay, then you click on the color, this actual color, you click on it, then you select a color, any color that you want, you select it. So this one is okay, good. The last one is the triangle. a triangle. Our triangle needs color. Good. So go to, after selecting it, you go to the dock panel or panel dock. You click FX color overlay. You go to the color side. You select the color that you want. Good. I like this color. You click OK and OK. Okay, we are done for now. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our page. Don't subscribe to our channel so that anytime that we drop a video, you'll be the first person to receive it. Click on the notification bell. So we meet again same time. Bye for now.